This video will be a review of the Makita 80 tooth saw blade and installation on our Ryobi miter saw. This is an older Ryobi unit, so one of the first things you'll need to do is raise this up, right? Get that out of the way. We'll have to disconnect the guard here. Take that off. I think that screw will come all the way out. Oh, good. There we go. Okay, get the guard out of the way. Okay, take the blade off. As you turn the wrench backwards to what you normally think, this is a left threaded saw. Has a left threaded nut on it, so basically so the blade won't come off while it's turning. So what you do is you push down this right here and rotate the blade. It'll lock into position. Then you can use a wrench to loosen it. Okay, so again, pushing that button right here and turn the wrench this way. Loose. Take the bolt off. Make note of the direction of cut for the blade. And again, make note of the direction of the blade. Slide that back on. Tighten it down good. Okay, after putting the blade on, of course, you got to put the guard back on. So put that back down there. It's good and tight already. That back down. Okay, so this is what the board looked like previously, the cut looked like previously. And so now let's try it with the new blade and see how well it performs. So there you go. Nice and smooth, and that's just pine, so kind of before and after right there. So anyway, looks like a really good blade. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
Try it with the new blade and see how well it performs. Or we don't.